In today's video, we're going to be installing the glass and film screen protector for our Galaxy A54. Let's start things off with the film screen protector installation. So in the box, you'll get 2 film screen protectors, 2 wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, a couple pairs of dust stickers, and then an application card or squeegee. To start with, grab the wet wipe and wipe the screen completely clean until there's no fingerprints or grease left on the display. Now, grab the microfiber cloth and dry the screen so there's no moisture left. Now, grab the dust sticker and dab it onto the display, making sure you remove all dust. Once you're satisfied that there's no dust remaining on the display, you can grab your film screen protector and line it up with the display. Peel back the top part of the screen protector and then line it up with the phone so the camera isn't covered. Then grab the squeegee and place it on the screen protector and then push down the phone so the rest of the film comes off. Now work out any bubbles that may be underneath the film screen protector and push them towards the edge of the screen. Now the screen protector is installed and you're happy that there's no bubbles left, you can remove the top layer of protection. Then feel free to give it a wipe over just to make sure there's no bubbles or fingerprints on the screen protector itself. And there you go, a nice thin film screen protector that covers the majority of the display, but still leaving enough room so you can get a case on the phone as well. Right, let's install the glass screen protector. In the glass screen protector box, you'll get the glass screen protector itself, you'll get a wet wipe, a dust sticker, and finally a microfiber cloth. You're going to want to start by wiping the display clean. So grab the wet wipe and wipe the display clean of any fingerprints or oil. Then grab that microfiber cloth and wipe over the display until it's completely dry. Next up, grab dust sticker and dab it on the display until there's no dust remaining. Now you can grab the glass screen protector, peel off the protective backing, and then hold the screen protector by the corners, then hover it over the display, making sure you're lining it up where you need. I like to put the top part down first in this instance, so it lines up with the camera, then carefully lower the bottom half down as well. Then when you're happy with the position, press down to start sticking it to the display. You'll start to see the bubbles dissipate as the display settles, but you can grab the microfiber cloth and push the bubbles towards the edge of the screen protector to release them as well. Now the glass screen protector is installed, you can see that it's slightly thicker than the film screen protector. However, in use, it feels a lot smoother to use. If you want to purchase any of these screen protectors, check out the links in the description below. And for more videos on the A14, make sure you subscribe.